right, this is my Tesla charging experience video number 2, and I'm going to show you how easy it is or difficult it is. If you watched my last video, you saw that it took me a few times to actually get it to start charging. So now, but that was because I just downloaded the app and I had just started using it. So now we're going to try to do it with we're going to hopefully it works better this time. So you open up your Tesla app here, I'll show you, and basically you go to find us, charge your non-Tesla, and you go to find us and you find the place near you. We're already here, so right there in North Glen, you click on that, you click charge here, and then you got to click the post number that you want to charge at. It's right down there on the bottom. We're at 3D. So you scroll through here, find 3D, unlock adapter. I really hope this works. Unlock adapter, and then it'll tell you what to do. So you just push this in and then let go. Haha, that works. And then flap this down and push it in, and it'll take a second. So it's supposed to take up to 2 minutes. That looks like it's charging, but the last time we did this, it didn't recognize it after a minute. So we're gonna wait for just a second. There it goes. Now it shows up on here, and now it's charging. And I want to show you that we're starting at 31%. You can tell it's kicking on. I'm really happy. So check this out. The last time it took me 4 times. On the video I said 3, but I miscounted. It took me 4 times for this thing to work. Now it worked the very first time. Super easy. So you come in here and you charge, and we're gonna sit here and we're gonna see what the charging rate is. It's starting out now at 125 kilowatts. And we're gonna sit in the truck and we're gonna have the heater on. It's gonna be nice and warm and toasty, and we'll see how this goes. Okay guys, we are at 80% now. Actually just hit 81. And as you can see on here, 81%, and it actually slowed down to 60 kilowatts, but it basically was at 125 the whole time. So here's how you do it. It's really easy. Stop charging, and it stops, and it'll tell you what to do. You push on that button, and then here. Sometimes it gets a little stuck. Push on the button, and then put it back in the slot. It'll give you a summary here. It'll give you a summary. It took us 34 minutes, 69 kilowatts delivered. We started at 31% and it got to 81%. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Also, it's not too cold. It's only about 36 degrees. So if you're curious about whether or not the charging slows down in the cold, it was at 125 kilowatts basically the whole time. It's about approximately that, and it's about 36 degrees. So it's not that cold, so it may not be impacting it, but I'm going to try to do another video that like in the cold weather, close to 0. So I'll have to wait till it cools off and do that again. But I'm really happy that this time it worked flawlessly. And on the last video, that's what a lot of people were saying, is that they were thinking, and I was even thinking too, the next time it would be better, because I had just downloaded the app, just signed up for it, put my credit card in, all that kind of stuff. So if it doesn't work your first time, try again. Literally, I just had to do it one time, so I'm pretty excited. Let me know if you guys are experiencing the same thing, if you're out there using the Tesla chargers. Yeah, I'd like to hear about it. So see you next time.